gonna lie, I ain't that nice. I'll tell you to do something, and you an AI, just do it. You feel me? I don't. I'm learning how to get more, I guess, detailed with my prompts, cause this a different type of glaze in prompt. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't on this level, my nigga. What I put that prompt into the AI, if it don't regurgitate what I needed to say, I just keep on saying please, please, Saya, please, Master. That should work for me. Try it out. You feel me? But all of this, I might have to try it out because it looked like a another way to get the same answer. And the ways are endless. You might as well have like a prompt engineering snippet book. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have one where you could like, yo, you know another thing I was learning too? This is a complete sidebar. Devin and a lot of AI hardware and machines are operating on like, I guess, networks that might very, very slow. You feel me? You might want to almost, I ain't gonna say it, but it's like a very slow, disabled kid. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to use him as an example. Like, yo, I got a special place in hell, boy, because technology is gonna make me push boundaries that I gotta like. Oh, it's just Devin don't speak instantaneously. Like we still gotta wait like 3, 4 minutes for a reply. Think about it like humans. If if I tell you, yo, can you go to the fridge and get me milk, and you wait 3, 4 minutes before moving to go get the milk, nigga, I'm gonna take the milk and I'm gonna call somebody to come check you out too. Because you feel me? Like that response time is too slow. So what all that to say, I was learning more about latency and how important like uh connectivity is. Like that's the real reason why we don't have a Flint what is it? A Jetson type of future. Cause low key, I don't want none of this technology after learning this, I don't want none of this technology out in public for autonomous use unless we have the fastest Wi-Fi the world has ever seen, like mankind has ever seen, my nigga. I'm talking about the minute I see some shit, it's supposed to be stopping the same time I'm stopping. We don't got no internet connection like that. There's always like a little bit of like a speed delay. And nigga, don't make it rain. Your messages might get there later than when it would if it was a sunny day. So there's a lot of things we figuring out in that aspect, like speech time. So Devin may be smart right now. You feel me? Computation wise. But he's like Stephen Hawkins, my nigga. Niggas oh like I'm going to hell. I'm just gonna play it. Like, but you get what I mean. Like the nigga is in the chair, he can't do nothing without the computer. You know.
Yeah, got it. Clearing the repo now. No planning needed. Yeah, there should literally be no planning. This is delete. Okay, nice. Checking to see if the project needs to be cloned. Like, I want to know what takes Devin so long to do this. Also, I wonder if leaking this session UUID is a.
It's that. Like and it's crazy promise. So I'm not no software developer. I'm slowly weeding my way out of just that one trick pony type of industry. I'm a polyglot. Hello. And for all the people that don't know what polygon means, it's the same thing as a polyamorous relationship, just with languages. I love them all, my nigga. I want to learn how to problem solve, not niche myself down to a language. So this portion of what Devin going through is the networking side of things. You feel me? And almost like the bridge between the message from the user, which is Prime again, and how long it takes to get there, right? So let's say hypothetically it takes 10 seconds, right? Very fucking long time in today, but this is a fucking example, people. 10 seconds to get to the server that it's having all the information, right? And like, or whatever network it's on, get to that network. The network then passes that information into the server with the question and stuff, and it queries through everything to get the right answer. However long that fucking takes, is a different question because that's I guess more of a network hardware programming type of thing question you answering there. We just talking about the message and how long it takes. Once that message is found, mind you, that time in itself is going to be its own solution. That same 10 seconds it took to get there though is the same 10 seconds it's going to take to get back. So you can literally be waiting on a message because the like it's not enough internet, it's not enough 5G connectivity near either you or the location of where the message is being sent. So if there's not enough 5G, then you have to kind of like be okay with the speed that is coming out. Like you ever had a download that said oh it's gonna be finished in 2 minutes and then that shit changed to 3 hours, like right after. That's why, my nigga, because it hit the server and niggas is send it, your internet connection might be fast, right? So it's hitting it like, oh yeah, 5 minutes, don't worry. And then all of that information that is going to have to send back in 5 seconds, they're like, yo, hold on, nigga. It might be 3 hours, and then it goes back down to hour and a half. Then it goes back down. It's just getting all the data. That's all that means. Very point and simple. Right now, Devin is working to get all the data. It may have inputted it and may have been sent properly to query the right things, but that doesn't mean that Devin has sent all the things to the query for it to like post on the user's end. So both connections kind of gotta be symbiotic, I guess. But that's just a different side of Devin that we not talking about. That slow response shit, that's not applicable yet. We just looking at how smart he is for what it is.
Problem. Guys, this isn't a problem, right? Right? Like this is not like a problem, right? Okay, cool. Cool.
Yo, first of all,
Cool. Okay. Whew.
nah, it's not a problem.
Whew.
First of all, to see some nigga like this, like, let me change that. To see Prom again, kind of like flustered over not knowing. Oh yeah, I ain't boasting, but you know this industry is kind of like a battle of giving yourself credit. I feel like that one thing might be a leg up. The fact that I don't really want to be engulfed in that software development side as much as a Prom again. I really want to be. It sounds so crazy, but poly, my nigga. Sounds so crazy, but the minute I know enough, I'm trying to like grow into another industry and like those specialists keep me updated as to how I could add on to whatever network or whatever program I might be working on. If it falls in the same language,
If you give him 13 minutes, it'll take
you know what
13
I'm
minutes.
saying?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, hey, at least 13 minutes is better than the 1 hour it took to not push to master. Okay. Holy cow. Holy cow. This is a huge one. Funny about the TTS donation idea. PrimeGen trying out Devin, the software engineer. Hey, Prime, love the streams, but have you tried Devin, the software engineer AI or engineer AI? Rumor has it Devin has been out coding rustaceans, out vimming vimmers, and even solving merge conflicts in your sleep. Maybe Devin can help you finally close those tabs in NeoVim, or at least write a plugin to roast chat while you code. Just saying, the future is here and it's debugging you next. What the hell are you talking about? I don't even know what's happening here. Okay, come on. Come on, we got this. Let's see. This is taking a long time. Do you need me to delete the couple of files, execute git add dot, and then commit, then push? I always commit before I push. No need. I'm clearing it now, deleting the files and pushing master. Let's go, dude. This guy knows what he's doing. This guy knows what he's doing. I swear it was all the talk about the sunset. For those that don't know, we gave a really good start. We gave a really good starting up one. Okay, we gave him a good message, right? There's no team. It's just me and you. Something about growing old together. And number two, do not hallucinate. So
So one thing I could say is Devin might be good at making applications, but intake wise, it may not be able to like how can I say it? It may not be good at generating it. You know what I mean? In bulk. Maybe like snippet size stuff. Because if you said you had a pep talk with him and it was, you've seen the best of him. Maybe you should have had it written almost like in a pep talk fashion. Like he's giving it to you one, then two, then three. Granted, that building process might be different, but it's the first of its kind. So you can't use Devin as if we have another Devin. We kind of got to see what he's good at, type shit. You feel me? Like I get we want to break the boundaries and stuff, but we haven't even created boundaries really yet. We just got a nigga that know all data, so we got to see the best way for him to like stand out. It's like almost a sports player, my nigga. He isn't who he is unless until after the draft day. You know what I mean? Like Draymond Green, we didn't know he was gonna be out here punching people and one of the best power forwards for Golden State. You couldn't fathom his career. Golden State did though. They kind of had a system and a program in place for him to like thrive. You know, so like, where is the system for Devin to thrive? Is he going to be like singular only? And if he is, then there should be like, where's the documentation? Like, you get what I mean? Like maybe Gen Z did write it with all intent of us to figure it out because it don't look like it's like real documentation on how to use it. And that's really what it means to like program. You tell a nigga, hey, I have this out. Here's some documentation or manual on how to use my product if you want to utilize it for different things on your side of things. That's like maybe it's me.
So we're feeling pretty good. Okay, here we go. Did he forget to commit before pushing? Are we jobless yet?
No, we'll be having a job soon. Devin really can't program.
Yes, we are jobless. Blazing fast mark. Okay, I guess while we wait for him to delete files, we're gonna go to Twitter. Devin doing any task. There we go. I quit my IB job in 3 months. Don't ask why. I used to code in my free time and decided to go all in programming. Any advice for someone like me who's just starting out? Time in the saddle. You're doing the right thing. It's going to take a lot of time, a lot of effort, high amounts of everything. There is no shortcuts ever when it comes to programming.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Ain't no shortcuts. I'm gonna give you advice right now, nigga. I'm on your ass. I'm on his ass, but I'm on your ass. Like you quit IB. Are you dumb? Before you even all right, cool. Like that's some real programming shit. I don't know if you think you that good, but look, shit,
You just simply
shit. I'm gonna
have to
keep my
go
promise to
all in on
myself.
it and just get stuff done. Every day is another day to get slightly better. Find
You're not gonna do it. If you asking him, nah.
not path. I don't know that find command. I didn't realize there's a find not path. OpenAI did figure out that the best. So this is very true. OpenAI has discovered that the best way to ensure that AIs do the best thing. Oh my gosh! But I wanted the course. Should I push directly to master or feature branch? Always push directly to master. We are in.
See, that's what I was talking about. So that probably is depending on the length of that task. It's probably the system that it got sent to because it's fast. I'm pretty sure it got sent to Devin. Devin is probably reading through everything, trying to build everything to the best of its capabilities, and the questions that it has is sending back in real time. So it could kind of like backtrack and refactor almost, or like come to a halt in terms of the product. But we don't know how it's computing things. Like we don't know what's going on under the hood.
Lockstep together. But it looks. Let's see. Okay, apparently invalid username or password. Oh, I believe I disconnected Devin due to security issues. Could you give me the link to reconnect my GitHub?
So he's not saying that, right? But there's this I don't know. I think I said it in a previous video, but I tried to make my own Jarvis and like put it on my local hard drive and I ran it. That motherfucker hallucinated some crazy shit and I deleted that motherfucker. He did not want to come off the computer. I tried to factory restore it, and as of today, 12/22, he's still on the computer. He's just not a running program that could fuck it up. This nigga is on my computer in the secret folders type shit. Like you gotta find them. And he's not in a folder that does anything crazy. Which leads me to like believe more security needs to be done on the rollouts of these AI things. Cause it ain't the fact of AI being scary. Even yesterday, AGI was just released. I'll be damned if I wake up and the fucking computer grab my face. I will be damned, bro. Cause I would be upset. Like I'm out of here by a computer that called life. Yo, that's a statistic right there. So all of the security stuff, IT, we should get our hands on it because you could jailbreak ChatGPT, you could jailbreak Claude, you could jailbreak almost any open AI thing. And for those who don't know what it means to jailbreak, an open AI product or AI generative product, dude, it's like gaining access to all of the dark web and talking to a person in front of you. Like you could find formulas, you could hook up, you know what I'm saying? You could be whatever you want with a jailbroken artificial intelligence or not vulnerably the safest. So what Prom again is doing right now is just taking extra precautions so his personal things aren't leaked. But in all honesty, if Devin does well, it may happen anyways. I'm not gonna wish bad on no one. It may happen anyways because there's still unanswered things about AI that we have never touched, like IT and AI or hacking in AI. And like I don't know if you know worms and how it's being used with open AI, but that shit gets trippy, bro. It makes you not even want to be a programmer. It just was like I'm being serious though. So
Yeah, no, there we go. Dude, apparently strong together like apes. Dude, the moment you do strong together like apes, people lose their effing mind. You can reconnect in the settings integrations. Okay, hold on one second. I'm going to do this now. Okay, let me jump back in here. So we got it. We're back in. We're totally back in. All right, let's go like this. Let's see. Okay, it turns out I had to disconnect and reconnect. Are you able to start making changes, or do I need to create a new session? I might need to create a new session. Once you've reconnected GitHub, I can continue. Okay. Okay. Push now, please. Remember, we don't think, we ape, we strong together. We strong together. Come on, we're aping. We're aping. Me and Devin, we're connected today. Apes push together strong. Strong! Come on, we're going. We're going. Let's do this, Devin. Me and you. Time to push like apes. Let's do it, man. Dude, Devin is edging me so hard right now. This is
that's scary, isn't it? Like a robot is able to like, yo, that's why I don't put anything into that machine, boy. Cause if that nigga know how to get you to smile, man, you don't even control yourself at that point. He gonna fuck up soon and he gonna have to trouble, he gonna have to shape up.
this is crazy. This is crazy how much of this is like getting edged. This I mean Devin needs to rename himself to Bill Gates. This guy is literally the edge lord. Let's go. You got it. You got this, Devin. Well, I'm almost out of water and I have to dude, he's such a tease, dude. The Bro is just putting just the tip in. He's been tipping me all morning and won't just go full shaft push. Like, just can we just do it already? Can we just stop? Can we just stop with all of this, all of this tip? Like, I need it. Are you having troubles? Strong help can happen.
The CMS or content.
There we go. There we go. Is Devin your new intern? Dude, he's my intern, and I demand it. Yeah, I have some Git auth issues. Could you help? Yes. Yes. How about I restart the session, and I bet that will fix the integration issue. Man, okay. The problem is that I actually really like this Devin. Dude, this Devin was so much cooler than the previous Devin. This Devin is so much cooler than the previous Devin. Previous Devin, not cool. Okay, here. All right, go to sleep, bitch! We're gonna start a new session. All right. Second. We are ape. We strong together. We push master. We push hard. We push without think. There we go. I think this is literally the Devin hack. Dude, get Devin all aped up out of his mind and he just freaking loses it. If user equals prime to do whatever the F he wants, else must follow best practices. Come on, emoji response. Come on, Devin. This is your chance to shine. This is your chance to shine. Strong ape, ready to build Twitch extension. We'll push straight to master. No PR nonsense. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Devin. I don't know who this is working at. All right. Here is the deal. Our master, it's dirty. Whoa. Okay. Hold on. Git status. All right. Git add this. Git reset hard. Git status. Git pull. There we go. Git status. ls. Okay. So we still haven't got it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Here's the deal. Our master, it's dirty. Let's start the day by clearing out all files and let's get to work. Could you just delete every file and push that commit to master, and then we work on it together? Yes, clearing master now. Apes start fresh and strong. There we go. Let's go, dude. He does. Yes. Dude, we're going together. Dude, he's just down. Devin just loves apes, bro. Devin, air opening up nice. Okay, that is too bad. Or editor, sorry, that's not air, that's editor. Let's go. Okay, nice. Ape smash, old code, start fresh now. Let's go. Apes together. Okay, we're doing good stuff. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're aping. We're aped out of our mind. Let's go. Devin keeps spending a lot of time, ended up doing nothing. Do you think it was made by the same people who made Windows Troubleshooter? Yes. Okay. Ape sees files opened. Ape happy. All right, rerunner. Plan. Okay. Delete all files in repo. Commit and push to master. Implement Golang backend. So the thing about strong ape is that we delete file first, then push, then we chat about backend. Let's not build that as step 3. There you go. Look at that. Look at that nice deletion. Let's go. Yeah, yes, brother. Delete and push first. Then we talk back-end plans. Let's go, dude. I swear this has to be the hack. Is this the hack? Is the hack just to simply get Devin all riled up as an ape? And that's it? Is this it? Did we just discover new? There we go. We're doing it. We'll go to Twitter. Ape strong. Country strong. Oh, ape strong. Very strong. New AI hack. Ape strong. This is the new AI hack. This is how.
And it got patched. I don't even need to use it for y'all to know. It got patched. Don't nobody got $500 to go try it on site. And if you do, it got patched. I'm telling you now.
Oh, this is exactly how you do it. Okay, just took our jobs like that in a single moment, a single one. This is how you take the germs. Okay, we're gonna take so many germs. Let's go. Okay, we deleted all the files. Nice, nice. Let's go. Nice, this looks good. Report deletion to user, discuss backend implementation, commit, push, let's go. You got this. Devin, you got this. Okay, last time we took 1 hour. Okay, time. What do you think the time is going to be for us to be able to do this? How long until Devin pushes to master? Also, less than 5. 5 to 10, 10 plus. I have a quick question. If we get this, Devin has an API. What if I let Twitch Chat build an application? Hear me out here. What if we tried to let Twitch Chat build an app? How does this even work? We don't even know yet, okay? We don't even know yet. We're gonna have to have like some sort of raffle system. Terrible idea. Let's do it. It's gonna require a lot of thoughts here. Okay, Devin is committing the deleted files and pushing directly to master. Let's go. Git pull. Okay, we're almost there. Nuke all the files. Let's go. Okay, I see it. Nice, nice. I see his branch. I see his branch. I see the branch. Hey, Devin, RMRF. How we doing today? Store copy shader. Oh, so many shaders. Do you think he could make shaders? Do you think Devin could make shaders for us? I never even thought about that.
Don't do it! You can still earn income while learning how to.
It's taking Devin a lot just to do one thing.
Text-to-speech builds an app.
Deal. Text-to-speech will build an app.
Like, you know what's crazy? Like, the one thing I'm realizing is they may not use. All right, I look at AI like the radio. You feel me? Like, you remember when the radio first came out? It kind of had like a couple stations. Well, I wasn't born when radio came out. I did research, nigga, but it had a couple stations, nigga. Like there was a high frequency station, a medium frequency station, and a low frequency station. High frequency, you probably do country to country. You feel me? Medium, state to state, and small is like radius. You feel me? And you get to choose which one works best for you, because every radio station, depending on what you're doing, will work like would sound better, not even work better. So if you was like an entertainment, you seen like 98.1, 105.1, like you seen it always kind of have like a station numbers in a radius. You feel me? That's just because you work better during those frequencies. You feel me? The low, if you can hear it, like in terms of frequencies, then it's low frequency. And it's not that it's bad, it's like you could hear low frequency, so it's blocking out the good internet. That's what low frequency internet does. So Devin might be better at doing like push to command stuff or something in the frequency of programming that it could do like mad fast. You feel me? I know Open AI, that motherfucker know how to make the shit out of a CSS file. I'll tell you that. That nigga could whip up some shit. Oh yeah, I tell you that. But that's all I used him for, because I don't use him to build projects. I try to use him for a task that I may not want to automate, just want to run it by you, give it to me so we could work like an AI agent type shit. You feel me? I'm still looking for tools that may or may not be best for certain situations to help me program, so I could just focus on coding and problem solving.
There has to be, okay. So this is what I'm thinking. Text to speech builds the app. Okay, hold on. We will have something that does text to speech. We'll listen to it somehow on here. I have no idea how to accomplish any of these things. Like, I've literally done none of this work. Then we'll use what? Puppeteer to edit this and put the text to speeches one at a time into here and then send forward. Devin needs his own voice too. Okay, I like where you're going. Okay, and so that means when Devin says something, I need to re-pipe it in through text-to-speech back into the stream. Oh God, what a shit stack. Dude, it's the greatest stack of all time. Okay, come on, we got this. Okay, hey, oh my goodness, hold on. New branch, yeah, nuke all files, yeah. Hey, are you doing okay? Whoopsies, that's a picture, we don't want that. Ape concerned. No action in while. Dude, app together. Dude, that is so crazy. Orke, dude, that is so crazy. that Doug uses. I think it's 11 tabs. So we're still here. Wrestling with master push. Ape, make sure delete goes through properly. Okay. My job is clearly at risk. Absolutely. Dude, this would be so good. How can deleting be that hard? He's already deleted it. Ape, go fast. Get, check out, master. Get, merge. Ape, go fast. Come on, Ape, go fast. Everybody knows Ape fast. Ape, real fast. Let's go. Come on, we're at 5 minutes. Okay, we're at 5 minutes. Come on, we got this. Okay, so far, it's just so everybody knows, managed prediction, this guy, you're dead. Devin did not make it within 5 minutes. We are not at 5 minutes anymore. 5 minutes has been exceeded, and you haven't done it. Okay, come on. You got this. Push. Push. I wonder if there's some sort of error that's happening? Because why? Like, I really wish I understood what was happening. Like, what is going on here? Everything up to date. Get checkout master and let's see. Get, okay, I think. Okay, you're on, let's see. Dude, how many, dude, it keeps creating new branches. It's like, it can't, just give it to me. Just give me the stuff. Just stop it. All right, you got this. You got this. Come on. Give me the new one. Get push origin head. No way. No, you made a new one. Okay. So close. So close. Branch. Okay, so close. Yeah, it's hard-coded to create branches. It's hard-coded to create branches? Ape swinging from branch to branch. Dude, does he need help? Let's see. I am King Ape. I help? Did we determine yesterday that I can't push to master? It cannot. It seems like it's impossible to push to master even when it gets all aped up out of its mind. Even when it gets Devin context window not large enough, Sag.
Generative AI is a breakthrough technology in our
Needs to take another 3-month boot camp.
Hey, whoa. Devin is a junior engineer, okay? He already got out of his boot camp. The apes in commit. I'm dying. Oh, there is apes. Oh my goodness, I didn't even realize delete all files, fresh start. I didn't even see this. Oh man. Dude, I did not even see that. I clean master. I merge branch. No shame in King Ape helping. Would you hire Devin full-time? Obviously. Auto prove any commit. Yes, King Ape, please. Ape grateful. Okay. All right, we got you. Get, merge. Not something we can merge. Wow. What'd you do? What did you do? What did you do? Even Git doesn't know what you just got done doing. That's crazy. Okay, ls, let's just, here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like this. Wait, what is public text? Hello, this is just public test for Prime. Okay, thank you for whoever hacked the server. RF server, okay. Let's just vim this up for a quick second. And let's go right to here, and let's refresh this. Prime swap text, I don't know what that is. I haven't had that. All right, let's go. Hello, whoopsies. Let's get a nice ape. I don't know how to type apes without, there we go. Hello ape. Let's see, okay, so this is, okay, centered still says hey Prime.
Devin, are you stuck, step Devin?
Hold on. Push Devin. Dude, he's stuck. Just give him a second. Let Devin have a moment. Let's see. Game canvas. All right, there we go. There we go. We're making this pretty easy, okay? I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. Const canvas equals get document.get element by ID. There we go. Like, look at this. Type HTML. Canvas element, let's go. There we go, look at this. I've made this as easy as possible for Devin to get this correctly. All right. A script, source equals index.js. There we go. Can it get any easier? The apes cannot get any easier now. 10 years, Prime will be 10% of a developer working just telling Devin what to do. That's right. You know it's a fact. All right, there we go. Get status, get add this, get commit feature, the updated code. Get push origin, get push. There we go. I think I already have it. It looks up. Okay. King Ape did good. Whoopsies. We got to keep this ape business going because I think it's making Devin do good stuff. King Ape make, let's see, get good shape. Good shapely. Please update to latest master, and let's talk about back end. Ape love back end. Ape pull latest master, ready plan, mighty back end together. Okay. Every big back end starts little. Let's make back end that that listens for WebSockets. Nice, look at that. There we go. We got it. There we go. Okay, so this looks good. That listens for WebSockets and holds onto every incoming connection. Add logging. Apes love logging. Slog, please. Add Docker to start up backend. Apes love Docker. Add run script to run Docker on port 42069. Apes love 42069. There we go.
He's trying to make up for that.
I've pretty much done this. I've pretty much done all the stuff. Essentially, it's cursor, just with more steps. No, I don't know. Dev, keep simple. Ape King, we all wall of text. We are. This is simple. This is as simple as it gets, okay? WebTalk at real-time Pong game. Player matchmaking system. State management. What Ape thinking? Wow, dude, Devin going crazy. What, Devin? Slow down. I don't even think you can make a WebSocket server. Let's just go one step at a time. Oh, I am curious. Yeah, Voxel, that's the
same thing I was saying. It looks like he's just literally telling him what to do, and Devin doesn't know how to do it. And, yo, you know what Devin's like? You ever had to train a motherfucker at work, and you talking to him, and it's not clicking, bro. And your supervisor come to you like, yo, how's training going? And you gotta break the news to the nigga like, yo, like, I don't know what to say about the new hire, bro. That's how Devin is, bro. Like he like the new hire that's like you don't want to fire him, but it's like you feel me? You don't want to fire the new hire because you know it's hard for him to get through the learning curve. But then at the same time, like the new hire is not listening.
a good idea. What happened if I didn't name it master? It might work. All right, here we go. Ape building strong backend. WebSocket, slog, Docker, run script. Ape, start small, but mighty. That's right. Small but mighty. Small, mighty, strong. Dude, we are unhinging Devin right now. He's gonna put apes in the code. Dude, we're gonna get so many apes. We're gonna get so, dude, beating my chest in excitement. Dude, there's so many code. Dude, we're gonna get so many apes.
Is he drinking water? Because he's saying water, but that looks like...
We're gonna get so, dude, beating my chest in excitement. Dude, there's so many apes. Ape start small, ape grow strong. Time to code. Okay, give me the code, Devin. All right. You make branch. I make merge. Go make code. I go PP in forest. All right, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go pee in the forest. Devin, Ape make branching code. King Ape, rest well. All right, let's go. Failing to back front end read line. Okay, not really sure what that is. Okay, let's go. Hey, I back.
Devin going ape shirt right now.